Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford Flex in a limited trim and powered by a 3.5 liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with plenty of power and excellent fuel efficiency with all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. But let's take a look inside. And first, taking a look at the back, where you have a nice power lift gate that opens up and out of the way for you. Looking at the back, where you have your third row seats, with seating for two with a nice full leather interior, and they get their own cup holders and cubbies here. So you do have a total seating for 7 in this vehicle, and if you fold down all the seats, you have a ton of cargo room too. Got your spare and everything in there, and you have buttons or electronic controls here for your seats, so you don't have to fiddle around with any of that. And then it does close again with another simple press of a button. And now looking into the second row, where you have seating for 3, once again with nice full leather, and then fold-out armrests with 2 cup holders, as well as rear climate controls, a 110-volt power outlet, and a 12-volt power outlet. You also have a cubby with 2 more cup holders right there, so that's always nice too. And take a look at your rear moonroofs, I guess you would call them, which can be opened and closed by your passengers to their liking, and fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. This vehicle does also have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your car. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as power folding mirrors. And then you have 2 memory buttons for your power adjustable driver's seat, steering wheel, pedals, and your mirrors, I believe. Now, sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 40,652 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for your right screen here, where you can look at your entertainment, navigation, and phone controls. And then on the left side of the steering wheel, where you have your cruise controls with an adjustable gap for the vehicle ahead of you, and then you have your controls for your left screen here, where you can look at things such as your RPMs with oil temperature, digital speedometer, distance to empty, and then you can also go into your trip 1 and 2 information, your fuel economy and fuel history, your driver assist settings, and then settings for some other features around your vehicle and your screen setup in general. So that's always nice. But moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is, let's see, radio, Sirius, CD, and Bluetooth. So you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. And then you have your digital climate controls with dual front climate, heated and air-conditioned front seats with 3 levels each, and a heated steering wheel, so you can stay comfortable no matter the weather or climate. And then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost on your travels, whatever apps you may have installed, and then settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera with reverse sensors, so it will alert you if you're about to hit anything, so hopefully you can avoid that. With dynamic hitch use, so you can zoom in and hopefully have an easier time hooking up a small trailer or something of the sort. And then moving down from that, you have your hazards, and of course all of your physical, media, and climate controls here. Once again, dual front climate, that's always nice. And then you have a little cubby here, and your park assist, your active park assist, you can activate from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift. You have paddle shifters on the wheel, so you can manually shift through your gears. Then you have 2 cup holders, a cubby, and your center compartment / armrest here, which is pretty spacious inside. Also has 2 USBs and a 12 volt, so you can plug something into power charge from there. And then, of course, you do have a power moonroof up front, as well as the ones in the back, so plenty of light in this vehicle. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.